Now in this chapter we are going to discuss oxidation and reduction. Second point is a corrosion and third one is a rancidity. Now first come to the oxidation reaction. So first try to understand what is the mean by oxidation reaction. So it is the chemical process in which a substances gains oxygen or lost the hydrogen. So what is the oxidation reactions? In the oxidation reactions we have to gain the oxygen and the loss the hydrogen. During the oxidation reactions, an atom or an ion lose the electron. So in the oxidation reactions process, they have to loses the electrons. Now next, oxidizing agents are used to carry out this reaction. For doing these reactions, we are using the oxidizing agents. Now for the here example, what is the example? Carbon react with the oxygen. What we will get? We will get the carbon dioxide gas. So this reaction is known as a what? Oxidation reaction. Now come to the next, that is a reduction reaction. So what happen in the reduction reactions? It is a chemical process in which a substances gains the hydrogen or lose the oxygen. So in the reduction, what is the reduction process or reaction? So in this, hydrogen are the gains and the losses of the oxygen. During the reduction reactions, an atom or ion gains the electron. So in this process, in the reduction reaction process, what happened? They are the gaining the electrons. Reducing agents are used to carry out this reaction. So for that we have to do it the reducing agents. Now for example of a reduction reactions are carbon react with the hydrogen. So carbon react with the hydrogen, that is a 2H2. What we will get the product? That is the CH4. This is known as the methane. So this is the reactions of a what? Reduction reaction. Now come to the next topic, that is a what? Corrosion. So what happened in the corrosion? Water and air are the most necessary for the rusting. So for the rusting there is a need of a what? Water and the air. The rusting process takes place rapidly in presence of a salt. If salt is a present, so also rusting process is doing the fast. A certain type of a reddish colored solid layer collects on their metallic surface. So there are the reddish color, they are the collected on the metallic surface. This is known as a what? On this layer, that is called as the rust. And what is the chemical formula for the rust? That is a Fa2O3 and the H2O. Now due to the various components of the atmosphere, oxidation of a metals takes place consequently, resulting in their damage. Iron rust and the reddish colored layer is collected on it. So due to various components of the atmosphere, oxidation of our metals takes place consequently, resulting in their damage. This is called the corrosion. Iron rust and the reddish colored layer is collected on it. Now come to the next topic, that is known as rancidity. So when we use leftover cooking oil for the making the good stuff, it is found to have foul odor called the rancidity. And if food is cooked in a such oil, its taste also change. That means if food we have to preparing in the whatever the old or leftover cooking oil, so their taste are changed and the odor is also changed. Such oil taste changing. So when oil or ghee is left aside for a long time, or fried food is left aside for a long time, it undergoes air oxidation and becomes the rancidity. Now, rancidity is the food stuff cooked in a oil or ghee is prevented by using antioxidant, and the process of oxidation reactions of foodstuffs can also be slowed down by storing it in an airtight container. So the process of oxidation reactions of foodstuffs can also be slowed down by what? Storing it in the airtight container. Otherwise, what we are using the that is rancidity in the foodstuff is cooked in oil or ghee is prevented by also one method, that is known as a what? Antioxidant. Thank you very much.